What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Let's get it. I'm still sick like last time, but I'm going to Germany this Saturday, so I gotta record. Oh my goodness. Dude, this car is nothing like the freaking... This car sounds amazing, dude. This is literally my favorite freaking street, bro. For this reason, the walls are so tight. Oh my goodness. Yeah, after I install these valves, they don't pop as much. Come on, don't, no, dude. I'm not gonna send it. Not in this freaking car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. Dude, that is so satisfying. Dude, being on the weather sucks. I'm excited for this year, boys. You know, I hope everyone that watches my videos, I hope you guys are grinding. Hope you guys are finding good opportunities, good jobs. You know, just keep trying, boys. You know, like I said, most blue collar jobs are hiring people, and in my opinion, they're the ones that are like the most lenient, especially if you're young. So you just gotta, you know, do everything takes grind, everything takes sacrifice. So just keep grinding, boys. You guys got this. Dude, the shifts are crazy on this car. I'm so happy I got warranty for 105,000 miles, bro. And it only cost me 2K. The warranty on the M5 cost me 5K, bro, and the same exact warranty. So I gotta push this car, bro, because I have way too much. I mean, the warranty was cheap on this one, but I got warranty for days on this freaking car, dude. That's insane, dude. That's insane. What the heck? That's literally insane. Definitely one day I want to boost this car, just to make it whine like crazy. But I gotta make like FU money before I do any of that. I want to rebuild the whole engine. Dude, the supercharger whine is so nice. This car is honestly super freaking fast. There's a cop on the other side, but no Yui, no Yui. Another cop, no Yui, right? No one's doing Yuis? Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. Thank God. Dude, the cops are here have been so good. Like, bro, I'm wearing literally CHP, California Highway Patrol, because, you know, I gotta rep them, dude. They got respect. I mean, the guy that gave me this was dope, so might as well have respect for these guys, you know? Dude, what the the heck? That's freaking insane. What meet it's going on over here, but I saw some people posting it. I live here, so I mean, I gotta see what's going on. There was like hella BMWs. I hope it's still going on. I'm coming super freaking late, but I'd be lit if there's still something here. Dead now. Dang, dude, I wish I knew about these freaking meets. Like, I know nothing about these meets, honestly, bro. I'm so out of tune. Some nice streets, though. Some freaking nice streets, bro. These industrial places have some big freaking streets, bro. Like, I've never even been here, bro. What is like? It's just crazy how big this freaking place is, bro. I don't even freaking realize it, honestly. Dude, being sick sucks right now. I'm like, right now I have like, I'm still recovering from the fever. It's not as bad as the other day. The fever, dude, when you have a high fever, it's worse than anything else, bro. I didn't even have a mucus. I didn't have mucus. I had a slight sore throat, but my head was freaking, dude, my whole body was hurting. It sucked. Oh my goodness. That's insane. That's freaking insane. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys can experience this one day, bro. And there's freaking cops right here, bro. There's a whole car crash. Holy. Oh, that sucks, dude. The freaking wheel fell off. I'm just gassing it down the street, bro. No, that dude for sure can hear me, bro, because I'm catless. This car sounds insane. Way too much. Oh my. Oh, this car sounds amazing, bro. The shifts on this car is so smooth. It's honestly like super impressive. Like, I know people talk crap about Dodge and stuff, but they did a really good job building this engine, bro. I'm gonna be honest. All they needed to do was make this an all-wheel drive and it would be like somewhat decent. The only problem I've seen with this car is like the grip. Four-wheel drive will literally help it so much, and then obviously make it lighter. You guys hear that? You won't hear that if it's not Callus, dude. Callus unleashes that. All I need next is freaking headers. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's crazy. I love how I'm wearing the CHP brand, bro. I love it, honestly. Honestly, guys, if you guys work for the police department, right now the windows are closed. That's why like you guys can't hear as much. So the insulation's pretty good on this car, I will admit, bro. That's crazy. I love this car. But like, for example, if you guys work for the police department, dude, they pay fat. If you guys like join the CHP, bro, they pay like $80K a year. From the guy told me, he said that in the beginning they pay really good with benefits. Like you're making like 6 G's a month. That's fat, dude. Obviously it's hard to get through it, just like any job, bro. There's always that phase where it's like torturing phase, you know. There's always that torturing phase, you know. That's just always part of the deal. So, I mean, obviously you can't drive like crazy if you're a police officer. So just don't drive crazy, you know? You can still enjoy the car within the speed limit. That's why I recommend like doing exhaust stuff. Like, I know the cops in Cali don't like that, but it will stop you from speeding because you enjoy the sound in low gears. Like, I haven't even passed the speed limit yet. That's why this is fire, bro. The exhaust is everything. That's literally why I recommend like doing something with your exhaust, because it will stop you from breaking the law, bro. And intake, dude. Before you have to like go super fast to hear the whine, or hear like the whine really well. Now I hear the whine, dude, within 3K RPMs, 2K RPMs. Before it was not like that. Oh my goodness, dude. One day, boys, we're gonna boost these cars. Still drive the same way. I just want to hear like the most aggressive sound. I want to get a Cadillac next too, bro. Cadillacs have crazy V8 sounds. There's one guy, I was literally at the gas station, and he flexed on me. He literally full set his 1,000 horsepower Cadillac. It started pissing coolant, which sucked, obviously, like for him. But it's still a badass car, you know what I mean? He put like 40 G's in it. And then he told me it got stolen, which sucks even more. But that car, dude, that's definitely like something I'd love to do. Since there's no cars, this is like perfect right now, bro. This is perfect. Oh my goodness. You hear the whine, bro? You hear that? I'm not even gassing and it's freaking whining, bro. That is so satisfying, that like the whine just exhaling like right at the end is just like, dude, so much power. Like some people don't understand the whine, like, but that whine means freaking power. It means this thing can freaking unleash some freaking power. Not every freaking car is supercharged. That's crazy. Oh snap, McLaren. What the fudge? 570. That's insane. That's actually insane. You guys already know this freaking neighborhood. This is my favorite neighborhood. Dude, what the heck? It's like a lifted car meetup right here. That's crazy, bro. Like, if someone in my neighborhood was doing this like during the day, I would not get pissed at all, because this is like the most beautiful sound I've ever heard. Oh snap, freaking biker. Homie's turning left too. Sketch, bro. I'd be so scared to be on a bicycle. I definitely wish I could like turn off the whole exhaust right now and just enjoy the whine. The whine is so beautiful, bro. The whine is just like so therapeutic for some reason. I don't know why. I think because it's just a unique sound, you know, you don't hear it every day. Like the amount of Hellcats and M5s I see is like almost never, dude. That's why I got these cars, because like I still can't believe I have them, I'm gonna be honest with you. But every time I see one of these cars, I'm like, dude, that's why I bought it. I don't regret it at all. Dang, dude, this car's got grip recently, bro. Why is the car gripping so well now? I'm honestly impressed, dude. What the heck? Come on, please. That light over there is green. Turn green. Yes. Dude, I love this, man. I don't know how much I recorded, dude. I always record too much, bro. I love to end it off here, though. This is the perfect spot. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.